Hey Troubleholics, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hello. Hi, my name is Joanna and welcome to my channel. Hopefully you like what you see and decide to become part of the Troubled family. All right, so today's video, I went a little bluey crazy. I'm feeling, where's the Blue Man Group at? Just sign me up. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I know I wanted the eye look for sure. This is the picture that I went off of. Her name is Anna_makeup_artist. I've been having this makeup look in my Pinterest board for so long. I wanted to try it out and I never did, never got to it. And for some reason it's spring and I'm just like loving all these bright colors and pastels and you know, all that good stuff. You guys hear midnight, she wants to go outside, so I need to make this quick because she's like, girl, I need to go. So the lip, I went with the bold lip. I wanted to get out of that whole like always using a nude lip and I wanted to just go bold. This look could be a spring or summer look, so I'm excited for you guys to see the tutorial. This eye look is very vibrant, but it's so pretty. It's very easy to, you know, get together. It doesn't involve a lot of like eyeshadow colors or a lot of blending as long as you have the right brushes. I also want to thank you guys for the love that I got on my last video. I did a video with my sister. We had so much fun filming it and so many of you guys like supported the video, watched the video, shared it, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it so much. Like, you guys don't even know how much that actually helps me out. Thank you. But yeah, enough blabbing and let's get into the video. All right, so first we're starting off with the regular P.louis base. This is in Room More 2. I love this base. And you're gonna apply this right above your crease. And then you're gonna tap it in with your fingers because it's the best thing to do because they're warm. And the warmth blends it in so much better. Next, I'm going in with the P.louis base in Banging Blue. This shade is so pretty. I'm applying that to the lid, so the bottom part of the lid, and then you're gonna work it up pretty much, but not too far up. And as you can see, that's how far I go with it, and then I bring the other one a little further down. Now I'm going in with the Profusion Neon palette, and I'm going into the shade Seriously, and I'm just going to pretty much set that base. And I want to apologize for all the noise going on in my background. I'm hiding in my bathroom because I'm a mom and I can't get away from everyone. So yeah, you're going to blend that shade up and then you're going to get a fluffy brush and you're going to blend out that shade that like went into the crease. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. Next, I'm going to be using the P.louis base in Yummy Yellow. This is so pretty. And I pretty much applied that to the inner corner of the eye and then I created like a wing at the end. Something like that. And then I go into the Pastels palette by Beauty Bay and using the shade First Light, I'm blending that in using this little brush here. And that's it. You blend it in really good. You tap it in at first and then you blend. Next, I'm using this Italia eyeliner. It's an ultrafine eyeliner and this is in the shade 1004 White. And I'm using that for my waterline. I always use this. I love this for my waterline every time I do like bright colors. And then I go into the Mickey Mouse palette and I use the white shade that's in there to pretty much set it because it just never stays. So I do that. I'm sorry, I don't know the shade name, but you can use any white shade you have. And then I'm using that P.louis base once more, the yellow one, and I applied it with a disposable mascara wand. And I do apply 2 coats of this so that it could be vibrant. And then I go back into that shade First Light in the Beauty Bay palette and I pretty much set it like so that it's not like wet or anything. And I do this about twice. Next, I'll be going in with these foaming lashes by Pro Beauty. These are their wispies. I'm putting them on here and I do struggle sometimes putting lashes on. I ain't going front. I have good days and I have bad days. Now I'm going in with this Chastique mascara, which I love. I'm obsessed with. I never tried it. I've had it sitting around and then I decided to try it when I was with my sister and I'm obsessed. Okay, and now for the lips. I didn't have a blue liquid lip or any kind of lipstick, so I'm going in with the Italia Deluxe Neon Blue eyeliner pencil. I felt like the color was a little too neon, so I go back into the Neon palette by Profusion, and using the shade Seriously, I apply that to the lip on top of that liner, and I love it. This is the finished look. I'm loving it. I don't know about the lip. I'm still like, because I'm not used to being so bold and bam with like my lips. I've been so used to like going to a neutral lip like constantly that I forget that bold lips was a thing. Like back in 2014 or 15, 14, bold lips was a thing. Like people were using blue, black, green, any color lip you could think of was being used. And I don't know, I'm loving this look so much, you guys. I love the eye look. Don't mind my edges on this side there. But yeah, I'm loving it. I have to get used to the lip. I'm still not used to it. But if you do this look, you don't have to go with such a crazy lip. You can do a nude color lipstick. You don't have to go bold. But I went bold because in the picture that I used, obviously her lip was a bold lip. And so I went with the bold lip. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!